Hey food lovers, in today's video I'll be sharing an easy native rice recipe. This recipe right here is full of flavor and beginner friendly. You don't need any special skill to get this right, just follow along and you will love the results.
I think we could be something so good.
I'll start by boiling my meat, and to do that I'll be using seasoning cube, goat meat spice, pepper and onion. Add a little water and cover it to boil. You can cook it for 40 minutes or just cook till it's tender. Once your protein is done cooking, you bring it down in an empty pot. Add a little groundnut oil. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Go in with your onion. Fry the onion for a bit. Then go in with your seasoning cube. This is just to enhance the flavors. Also, we are doing this on a low medium heat. After frying your onion and your seasoning cube, just go in with your washed rice. Just go ahead and fry your rice and add all your seasoning. And mind you, please, you don't need curry in this rice. Please, you don't need curry, you don't need thyme, please. Then I went in with my crayfish. You can choose to add your crayfish later, but just like it this way. And please, after you add your crayfish, don't fry it too much, if not it will burn. Once you add your crayfish, just mix it properly, then go in with your water, either your meat stock or your cooking water, anyone. So I added my meat stock. Then add enough water that will cook the rice. Then cover to cook. So our rice has cooked properly. Now we are moving to the next phase. In an empty pot, go in with your red oil. Next, you go in with your pepper mix. This is langa, onion and habanero pepper. Fry this for about 5 minutes. Added my seasoning cube. And please, before you add your seasoning cube here, just make sure that the rice you cook is not too salty. You get, because if you add too much seasoning, it's still going to affect the main rice. Then I went in with my fish. Just fry. Then next we are going in with our meat. This is good meat. I just like cut it into pieces and put it. You can choose not to do this, please. If you have pomo, you can also use pomo to do this. Then I went in with extra crayfish. See, I love crayfish in my food. I love. So once you're done frying your pepper mix, the next thing is just to add the rice and mix everything together, and you're good to go. Your rice is ready. Your native rice is ready.
I think we could be something so good.
See, looking at this rice, you should already know that, oh boy, this rice tasted so good. Now we're going to do our finishing touches with this scent leaf. I don't know. I don't sound serious. I should be serious in this video. Why am I not sounding serious? Okay. Okay, this... Please don't mind me. I'm just playing around. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please try this recipe and tell me what you think about it.